Hi, this is Washbin video. I'm going to show you what goes where when you're ready to clean up. Solid clay and scraps that you're going to want to recycle are going to go in washbin number 1. So anything that's not a liquid clay goes in washbin number 1. So here you can see I just have this pot that failed on the wheel. I'm going to put it right in here, and you can see there's other clay scraps and sludge in there. And then washbin number 2 is going to get all my throwing water from the wheel, and you can just pour it straight from your bucket in. As you do this, notice that I'm using my fingers. The reason I'm doing that is to catch any sponge or tools that might be in here. And at the bottom of your bucket, you may have clay residue if you've been throwing for a while, and you can just scrape that into washbin number 1. Washbin 3, there's 2 of them, but they're the exact same, and they're just for sponging all of your stuff down for your final clean. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure you get everything as clean as you can. As you finish cleaning your stuff and you set it on this table, just don't forget to put it back to wherever it goes in the studio when you're finished. Thank you so much.